Hello student, welcome back to part 2 video of your chapter number 12, Internet and World Wide Web Fundamentals. Okay, so let's move on to next. That is the next web browser. It is Mozilla Firefox. Now it is the browser that is derived from Mozilla and it was released in 2004 and has grown to be the second most popular web browser on the internet. Okay, its logo you can see here. A blue color globe is there and a fox is on it. Okay. Next is Safari. Now it is a web browser that was developed by Apple and included in Mac OS operating system X. It was first released as a public beta in January 2003. Safari has very good support for latest technologies like XHTML, CSS2, etc. These are the markup languages, or you can say it is a scripting language which is used to develop web pages and all. Its logo is this, a compass is there. Then we have Opera, you can see the symbol of it. It is a smaller and faster than most other browsers and yet it is full feature. It is basically ideal for newcomers to the internet, school children, handicapped, and as a front end for CD-ROM and kiosk. Okay. Next is Conqueror. The spelling is K-O-N. It's not C-O-N. Here it is K-O-N. Q-U-E-R-O-R. It is an open source web browser. That is, it can be freely downloaded. Open source means you can freely download from the internet with HTML 4.01 compliant, and it supports Java Applet, JavaScript, CSS. These all are scripting language as well as Netscape plugin. Okay. Now this works as a file manager as well as support basic file management on local Unix file system, from simple cut and copy operation to advanced remote and local network browsing. You can see its logo. Next we have Link. Okay. Now it is fully featured World Wide Web browser for users on Unix, VMS and other platforms. Okay, running the cursor, addressable, character cell, terminals and emulators. Next we have components of web browser. The first one is home page. The first page of any website is called the home page. Home page basically contains it is the cover, or you can see the content of any website. It basically contains the major contents, whatever is there in a website. All contents are displayed at the home page of a website. Then we have hyperlink. We say that website is a collection of multiple web pages and all are related with hyperlinks only, okay, to reach to other documents. Then we have downloading, the process of saving anything from internet into your computer or mobile phone. It is known as downloading. Uploading is the opposite of downloading. When you send your file on internet to any other computer, then that is called uploading. Okay. Next we have URL. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator, RESOURCE, and locator, LOCATOR. Okay. Now locator, it means each and every web page has its unique address, that is called URL or web address. You can see whichever page you will open, you can see the URL of that particular page. Okay. Now tabbed browsing, whatever you will open, whichever pages you will open, all will be tabbed on top here. Okay. So you can switch on to various tabs. Okay. And you can work multiple web pages in a single web browser window. Then we have HTTP. HTTP is also a very important term of internet. HTTP is basically a web protocol. Protocol means the set of rules. So browsers are able to display web pages by following a web protocol called Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the full form of HTTP. Now this HTTP allows web client and web server. Now who are the web client? Those who uses the resources or internet, that is called, they are called the client. That is we. We use internet for our purpose, for searching any information. So we are the client. And who are the server? The web servers. Which site we are using? Their server is who are serving us. They are called the web server. Okay. To communicate with each other. It defines how messages are formatted and transmitted and what actions web server and browser should take in response to various commands. When you enter a web address URL in your browser, the browser actually sends an HTTP command to the web server. Suppose you are typing the Google address www.google.com, so the Google server will be contacted by HTTP to fulfill your request. Okay. Now the browser directs the server to fetch and transmit the requested web page and display the information in your browser. So you can see here, basically if you type the URL of the page, then you will enter, you can see HTTP is always there at the beginning. So this is HTTP, that is the web protocol, and server name is www.google.com, okay, and the file name is educard, okay. So this is how the HTTP works. The file will open on your computer, and this is the shortest way to open a web page directly. Next is searching the web page is also a very important feature of internet. You can search for anything. So basically we all know how to search, but still you can see step 1. That is, first step is to search is you have to type the keyword in the box provided, okay, search text or whatever is there, okay. Next, step 2 is then use the search tool to locate the information. 2 types of search tools are there. One is search engine and the other one is subject directory. Search engine are the commonly one, like Google is there, okay. Now how to use search engine? Search engine is helpful in locating information about you which you do not know an exact web address. Obviously we don't know the exact web address of many pages, okay. So we have to type the text for getting the result, and you have to, thousands of search engines are available. Some search engines through web pages for all types of information. Other search engines can restrict their searches to a specific type of information, such as the following are images. They'll show only pictures, diagrams and drawing. Videos, only home videos, music videos, television programs and movie clips. There are restrictions. Then audio, music, songs, recordings and sound, only these, okay. Then we have publication, news articles, journals, books, map of a business, address or driving direction to a destination, people or businesses, addresses and telephone numbers. Then blogs, okay, specific opinion and ideas of others. Now search engine require you to enter a word or phrase. That word or phrase which you enter, that is called the search text or search query that describe the item you want to find. Now each word in the search text is known as a keyword, okay. Now your search text can be broad, such as spring break destination, or more specific, such as Walt Disney World. Search engines often respond with thousands of results whose content varies depending on the type of information you are seeking. Some results are links to web pages or articles. Other results are media such as images or video. You may find that many times items that appear in the search results and have little or no bearing on the item, because basically when you type keyword it will show all the related web pages available, okay. So sometime it is useful for you, sometime it is not much useful for you, okay. So this is what happened. Next is some also provide suggested keywords, links and or images. Sometimes you get the suggestion also from the search engine, okay. Now other techniques you can use to improve your searches include use specific noun, put the important terms first in your search text, then list all possible spelling, for example email. Now before using a search engine, read its help information. If the search is unsuccessful with one search engine, try another one, okay. Sometimes it basically doesn't happen, but sometimes you are not finding your desired result, so you can go for some other search engine also and find it. Now subject directories. A subject directory provides categorized list of links arranged by subject. Using this search tool, you locate a particular topic by clicking links through different levels, moving from the general to the specific, okay. Now each time you click a category link, the subject directory displays a list of subcategory links. from which you again choose. You continue in this fashion until the search. So this is quite difficult task. This is basically quite difficult task because the disadvantage with subject directory is that users have difficulty in deciding which category to choose as they work through the menus of links presented. So basically, if you are having a topic and you are not finding the related, or you don't know in which subject it will be available, so there you might face the problem of searching or getting the desired result. Now we have some different type of website on internet, and what are is used. First one is the portal. A portal is a website that offers a variety of internet services from a single convenient location. Most portals offer these free services: search engine, news, sports, and weather. Okay. Publishing means web publishing, reference tools such as Yellow Pages, where you get all the business details, then stock codes and maps, shopping, means all internet services at one place you will get. The popular portals are Rediff Mail, AOL, Dogpile, MSN, etc. Next we have news portal. From the name itself, it is clear something related to a news article will be displayed to you. A news website contains no newsworthy material, including stories and articles relating to current events like money, sports, and the weather. Yahoo News. Okay, so these all are there. Next we have informational. Now any informational website contains factual information. Many United States government agencies have informational website providing information such as census data, tax code, and the congressional budget. So all these information related you will get on informational website. Then we have business marketing. A business marketing website contains content that promotes or sells products or services. Insurance companies, Dell, Inclusive, okay, General Motors Corporation all have business marketing websites. Okay. Then we have Wiki. Wiki is a website that allows users to create, add to, modify. Wikipedia is very common, or delete the website content via their web browser. Many wikis are open to modification by the general public. Wikis usually collect recent edits on a web page so that someone can review them for accuracy. A popular wiki is Wikipedia, a free web encyclopedia where you get all the detail. Encyclopedia where you get the details of any topic, its origin, its history, its geography, many things is there. Okay. Next, social networking, very commonly used nowadays. Now an online social network where you connect and communicate with people, friendship and all ways. So also means an online social network, also called a social networking website, is a website that encourages members in its online community to share their interests, ideas, stories, photos, music and videos with other registered users. Popular social networking websites include MySpace and Facebook. You have Instagram and so on. Okay, Twitters are there, so you can see this. You all are familiar with this Facebook pages, isn't it? Next is educational, something related to education. An educational website offers exciting, challenging avenues for formal and informal teaching and learning. On the web, you can learn how airplane or how to cook a meal for a more structured learning experience. Companies provide online training to employees and colleges offer online classes. Okay. Then degrees. Instructors often use the web to enhance classroom teaching by publishing course material, grades and other pertinent class information. Means nowadays you can upgrade yourself by offering or just availing the facility of online training also. You will get the certificate on that. Many degrees, many big degrees can be achieved through online also. You don't have to personally go. Even if you're foreign country, degree you can hire, you can get it. Okay, you can enroll yourself, pay the fees, whatever fees, desired fees are, and you can get it. Okay. So your course will be provided to you online. Entertainment, all of you are familiar. An entertainment website offers an interactive and engaging environment. Popular entertainment websites offer music, videos, sport, game, ongoing web episode, sweepstakes, chat room and more. Then we have web application. Now web app is a website that allows user to access and interact with software through a web browser on any computer or device that is connected to the internet. Examples of web application include Google Docs, that is word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, you can see here. Okay. Then we have blog. Blog reflect the interests and opinions of any personalities of the author, that is called the blogger. Okay. Now blogs have become an important means of worldwide communication where you can have, provide your ideas and all. Businesses create blogs to communicate with employees, customers and vendors. Teachers create blogs to collaborate with other teachers, and students, home users create blogs to share aspects of their personal life with family and friends. Then we have content aggregator. A content aggregator is a business that gathers and organizes web content and then distributes or feeds the content to subscribers for free or for a fee. Okay. Next we have personal. A private individual or family not usually associated with any organization may maintain a personal website or just a single web page. You can see here. Okay. So there is a mind enhancement that do not assume that information presented on the web is correct or accurate. Any person, company or organization can publish a web page on the internet. No one oversees the content of the web page. So you have to be very careful while using internet services. Okay, because there are a lot who give wrong information, or there are many sites, business sites, so purchasing from that is also very dangerous. So always use the service only if you are fully agreed or you are confident about that particular site. Clear, children? So this complete this part 2 video of yours. Now in part 3 video we will continue from other internet services. So till then learn all the shortcuts, full form, all the steps, all the various sites available. Okay. Thank you, children.